Good afternoon, student. I'm here on YouTube channel called the Chris Khan Academy. We are going to be with us in chemistry senior 1 on the unit 10, which is called the chemical equations. Here we can start by saying what is chemical equations. Equations means the shorthand way of presenting chemical formulas. When we say chemical formula, we can write as an example of chemical formulas. The first one can write hydrogen, second one can write oxygen, the third one we can write magnesium. But here we can focus on chemical equations. When we say chemical equations, we can deal with the balancing of chemical equations. Balancing chemical equations. Can take an example number 1. When we take sulfuric acid, react with the sodium hydroxide, we get sodium sulfate and water. When we are going to balance, we see the atoms or formulas which is in reactant and correspond to its product. Here we have two hydrogen atoms. Then also in the product there is the two hydrogen atoms. The sulfur, it is 1. In the product there is the sulfur 1. When we take on oxygen, there is oxygen 4 plus the one here on sodium hydroxide, that it gives the oxygen 5. But here we have 4 oxygen plus 1, there is also 5. But when we talk on sodium, and there is this sodium 1, there is 2 sodium. We have to balance this sodium. We can put 2 here. 2 sodium, 2 sodium. It is balanced. 2 oxygen react with the 4, it gives 6. Here there is the 4 plus 1 gives the 5. Means the oxygen is not balanced. There is 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. There is 4. Here you can take 2. 2 hydrogen plus 2, 4. 2, yes, it is 4. This equation, it is well balanced. It is well balanced. An example number 2. When you take lithium, react with oxygen, we give lithium oxide. Here there is 1 lithium, but here in the product there is 2. Oxygen, there is 2 oxygen here in the reactant, but in the product there is 1 oxygen. We have to put 2 here. 2 lithium in the product. 2 oxygen in the reactant. There is also, we need another oxygen here. When we put 2 here, means the oxygen is 4. But here it is, here we can put 4 lithium, and here we put it 4, no. Here I can put 8. For an example number 3, we can take sodium, react with the water to give sodium hydroxide and the hydrogen gas. To balance this equation, we can put 2 here, another 2 here, another 2 here, and check if our chemical equation is well balanced. There is 2 sodium, 2 sodium, 4 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen plus 2 equals 4, 2 oxygen, 2 oxygen, well balanced. Example number 4, we can take calcium, react with the oxygen to give calcium oxide. In reactant there is 1 calcium, in the product there is 1 also. But in the oxygen there is 2, here there is 1 oxygen. We can put 2 here and 2 here. Then the equation is well balanced. During chemical equations, we can deal with how to change, interpreting, and translating word equation into chemical equation. We can change from word equation into chemical equation. For example, number 1, when we take hydrogen, react with oxygen, translate from word equation into chemical equation. Here we can write hydrogen gas react with oxygen gas to give water, is in a state of liquid. Example number 2, when we take magnesium, react with oxygen oxide. Here write as magnesium, which is in solid state, react with oxygen, which is in gas state, to give magnesium oxide, which is in solid state. Example number 3, when you write sodium hydroxide, react with hydrochloric acid to give sodium chloride and water. Sodium hydroxide, which is in aqueous, react with hydrochloric acid, which is in aqueous, to give sodium chloride, which is aqueous, and the water. Thank you for your presence. We can continue on the next lesson. Thank you so much.